Yes,
Mama,
guys.
oo.
I would like to say something about my wife, Elsa Camacho dito.
Eh.
Kamusta niyo? Bro, my son,
Eh.
Jake Aquino and Harold
naman niya
Aquino.
pauwi.
Kamusta kayo, guys? Jason and Hazel Shane Aquino sa akin apo. Kamusta ka? Ingat kayo palagi. Huwag niyo problema sa sarili ninyo. Mahal na mahal kayo.
Dito ka na!
Halika na dito.
Dito ka kay papa mo!
Ito na yung laruan mo, Toys mo. ha?
Macho Aquino,
Ito na.
kamusta? This is Ronald B. Holland. This video is just to say something about my family, guys.
Polis ka dito ngayon?
Always take care of yourself. Don't forget to pray to God. Yes. To God be the glory. Yeah. This is Ronald Alan Kindo from YouTube of Ronald B. Holland. Yes, YouTube guys, please watch this video and subscribe. Don't forget to share it. Write, comment. Don't forget also to push the button. Ronald B. Holland. Again and again. God bless you and bye-bye. See you next year.